गुड आफ्टरनून फ्रेंड्स, मेरी आवाज अब तक पहुंच रही है? ओके। I launched the book Diabetes Free World. Inside that book, there are certain techniques, certain methods which can help you free yourself from diabetes. It has been already 10 years I've been in the field of diabetes. So I've seen more than 20,000 diabetes patients. This means I've seen a lot of blood sugar patient. So diabetes patients are called the blood sugar patient. So I saw a lot of blood. And I saw a lot of sugar also, as you have seen also. But I have never seen blood sugar. Never in my life have seen a blood sugar. I've done research work, even got an honorary PhD from Alliance International University, Lusaka, for my research work. Thank you. Thank you. So, I got one input in last 10 years of my study. There is nothing called blood sugar. No one has seen blood sugar. Anybody seen blood sugar? You cannot see blood sugar because it do not exist. If you know the truth behind it, the same day, you can be free of diabetes. I am saying blood sugar do not exist. I am not saying blood sugar patient do not exist. So, I am saying blood sugar do not exist. Blood sugar patient exists, which we call diabetes. So, when we were preparing for this program, and I planned to share this secret with you, there is nothing called blood sugar. And once you know this, from the same day, you can be free of diabetes. So thank you friends, thank you. While I was preparing for it, sending you invitation, you came from all across the country and many of you from out of India. I got a mail yesterday night from my university. The mail was, if you conduct this program on 12th of November 2017 in Shri Fort, and if you reveal the secret, your doctorate degree will cancel. Either you change your content or be prepared, your doctorate degree will be cancelled. So now I have two options. I can change my content so as to preserve my doctorate degree, or let the content be the same and let me forget about the doctorate degree. Which one you want? First or second? I'm just asking, which one you want? First or second? Huh? Second one? How many of you want the second one? How many want the first one? Nobody. So, that is the kind of threat which I got. But then, it reminded me of my one friend. He is right here with us. Shrivardhan, can you please come on the stage? इनका एक डायलॉग याद आ गया मुझे. So, वो डायलॉग अगर आप एक बार और बता देंगे मुझे, तो वो हिम्मत आ जाएगी. I will go for second one.
सन्नाटे को चीरती सनसनी सन्न कर देती है इंसान को. मुजरिम को खबरदार करना हमारा फर्ज. जुर्म से महफूज रहना आपका हक. देखिए सनसनी हर रात 11 बजे सिर्फ एबीपी न्यूज पर. आप सबका बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया, बहुत बहुत साधुवाद.
So friends, I've chosen the second one. I thought, let the truth reach to the people. So the truth is, thank you, there is nothing called blood sugar. If you understand this, instantly you will be free of diabetes. Instantly you will be protected from heart disease. You will be protected from heart attack. You will be protected from brain stroke. I am not saying there is nothing called brain stroke or heart attack. There is a disease called heart disease. But you can protect it. Protect yourself from that. If you understand only one thing, and that is, there is nothing called blood sugar. To make you understand this, I made a small cup or a glass. It is called food index glass. That glass will reach to all of you. There is a small tool I made for all of you, which you will take it as a gift from my side, from today itself. And through that tool, you will understand the confusion and the conspiracy behind blood sugar. Now here, it all started about 100 years back. 1918, when the first diabetes medicine was invented. Exactly 100 years back. 2 days after this, it is 14th of November is World Diabetes Day. So there cannot be any more appropriate time to expose the confusion and the conspiracy behind blood sugar. Here, how it started, there was some confusion happened. From the beginning, it all started in India only. Need not to be proud of that, first of all. About 500 years back, whenever somebody in India want to express the emotion, they used to express it through some taste, sweet, which now is happened all over the world. Hi sweetie, hi sweetheart. We don't say hi salty, salt heart. You may be liking, many of you may be liking salt more than sweet. But whenever you want to express your emotion, you say hi sweetie, hi sweetheart, hi honey, hi honey preet. Mera matlab. So, it all started from that confusion. We have associated a taste to the feeling, to the emotion. Whenever we want to express our emotion, our love, our feeling, we have attached that to sugar, to sweetness. So that is one soft corner of the human being. So that confusion was used as a conspiracy. So now the conspiracy part, there is no sugar, right? There is no blood sugar. Of course there is a lot of sugar, there is a lot of blood, but there cannot be blood sugar. Okay, Bhushan ji, aap yahan pe hain? Okay, so now in 1 minute, through a volunteer, you can distribute those food index glass to all the participants. Through that tool, you will understand this conspiracy, and I assume, I hope that you will take this message back to your house, to your home, to your city, to your country, not only to use it for yourself, to your friends, but also to distribute this news, this knowledge among the society. And today, you can do that alone. You are not dependent on media. You yourself is the media through Facebook, through YouTube. This video of today will be available within next 2 days in my YouTube channel, Dr. Bishwarup Roy Chaudhary. And through that, you can pick that video and you can refer to your friends so that they can be also protected from this confusion of last 100 years and also the conspiracy of last 100 years. So I hope it will take only 1 or 2 minutes to get this distributed. Now, if you see this, those who got it, they can open it up. जिनको मिल गया है वो उसको खोल सकते हैं, right? Here, important thing is, don't do beyond the thing which I never told. Step by step. I asked you only to open, but don't take out anything unless I say, right? So be absolutely step by step. Just open it. Don't do anything. Just open it. Okay. Now, once you open it, my medical team is here. Medical team can be here. Okay. Now I am assuming you have opened it. Once you open it, what is there inside? Now you take out the packet which you find inside. Only I am saying taking out. I am not asking anything else. Eating, tasting, no. Only taking out. Please be sure what I am saying, you are hearing the same thing. Every step is very, very meaningful. So please understand what I say and do as it is. Okay. So step 1, you opened it. Step 2, you are taking out the thing which is there inside. There are few packets. In one packet, it is written glucose, glucose inside. Second packet, fructose, fructose inside. Third packet, sucrose, sucrose inside. Then aspartame, saccharin. All this together we call it as sugar. In a layman's term, glucose is also called sugar, fructose is also called sugar, sucrose is also called sugar. So all variety of sugar is now in your hand. Now, if I take the blood, listen very carefully. If I take the blood from your body and I add glucose inside it from that packet, do you think the reading in the glucometer will increase or it will remain the same? I take blood from your body. I take the glucose which is there in your packet. I take the glucose, put in the blood. Now if I check it through glucometer, the reading will increase or it will remain the same. How many of you say it will remain the same? How many of you say it will increase? Not sure. Okay, you're not sure. Okay, so this means we have to do it. Can we do it? Okay. So now you are going to take a blood from my body and you put, should I sit? Okay. Yahan baithna hai? Okay. So what I'm doing now, I am taking the blood from my body and I have this glucose inside it. I'll put the blood, I'll put the sugar, the glucose in the blood. Before putting in the blood, I'll check the blood sugar. That is my normal blood sugar. Right? And when I'll check with the glucometer, the camera is there on the stage. The cameraman, can you come close so that you can zoom in who will zoom in? Okay. Yeah. Okay. Tighten. Now the blood is out. Now we'll check what is my blood sugar reading. Please check the blood sugar reading. Yeah. No.